IT Pitter Trade Theory Semester 1 Old Question Paper Year 2016. My channel subscribe and press the bell button. So total time 3 hours. Theory and employment skill. Total mark 200. So theory only 150 marks. Question number 1. 5S stand for dash. 5S stand for dash. This question answer. Short, set, sign, standardization, sustain. This question answer B. Question number 2. Benefit of the 5S systems are dash. Benefit of the 5S systems are dash. This question answer increase the productivity. Increase the productivity. Answer B. Question number 3. The first aid box should be properly equipped and kept in dash. The first aid box should be properly equipped and kept in dash. First aid box in fitting easy access place. This question answer easy access place. Answer C. Question number 4. Foam, water and dry chemical are used in which type of fire extinguisher? Foam, water and dry chemical are used in which type of fire extinguisher? This question answer class A. Answer C. Question number 5. What will be the effect of electric shock when the current is at very low level? What will be the effect of the electric shock when the current is at very low level? This question answer lose his balance and fall. Lose his balance and fall. This question answer A. Question number 6. Name the part marked X in the figure. Name the part marked X in the figure. This image is Falkenhammer. This X mark name is eye hole. This question answer eye hole. Answer B. Question number 7. Name the type of sisal shown below. Name the type of sisal shown below. This image sisal is flat sisal. This question answer flat sisal. Answer C. Question number 8. Sisal are used to cut metal in cold or hot condition. Cutting point angle of sisal is also known as dash. Sisal are used to cut metal in cold or hot condition. Cutting point angle of sisal is also known as dash. This question answer angle of inclination. This question answer angle of inclination. Answer D. This image is jaw sisal. This angle of inclination. This angle. This rack angle. This clearance angle. This only clearance angle. This angle of inclination. Question number 9. Spindle of the Penge-Weiss gas, which type of thread? Spindle of the Penge-Weiss gas, which type of thread is square thread? The question answer square thread. Answer C. Question number 10. Name the type of divider shown in figure. Name the type of divider shown in figure. This image is this image is spring giant. This image is spring film giant is not this parts. This was not in these parts. Film giant. So the question divider. This image is spring giant divider. Answer B. Question number 11. Hacksaw blade is made of dash. Hacksaw blade is made of dash. This question answer. Not answer this. Hacksaw blade is made of high speed steel. One answer high speed steels, and other answer low alloy steel. Low alloy steel. Low alloy steel. This one answer. But A high carbon steel. This carbon not correct answer. High speed steel. C low carbon steel. This is not correct answer. Low alloy steel. So 4 answer not correct. So one answer tick A tick. High carbon steel mean high speed steel. So question number 12. Identify the name of part marked X in the universal surface gauge. Identify and name the part marked X in universal surface gauge. The universal surface gauge parts, this parts is snug. X name is snug. Answer C. This question answer snug. Answer C. Question number 13. How the required cutting pressure is obtained in a hacksaw cutting machine. How the required cutting pressure is obtained in a hacksaw cutting machine. This question answer hydraulically. This question answer hydraulically. Answer B. Question number 14. Name the part of the journey caliper indicated by X in the figure. Name the part of the journey caliper indicated by X in the figure. So this parts leg and heel. Journey caliper parts two parts. One leg, bend leg, and other heel. So X name parts name is heel. Answer A. Question number 15. Which is not a cutting portion of the file. Which is not a cutting portion of the file. This question answer heel. Answer A. Heel. Question number 16. Name the part of the file marked X in the figure. Name the part of the file marked X in the figure. So file this point X. This place is heel. So keel portion only. Not cut up teeth. Heel portion only. So this question answer C. Heel. Question number 17. In a marking media, copper sulfate need to be handled carefully because dash. In a marking media, copper sulfate need to be handled carefully because dash. Copper sulfate is poison. This is poison marking media. So this question answer it is poison. Answer B. Question number 18. Name the file which is used for sharpening teeth of woodworking saw. Name the file which is used for sharpening teeth of woodworking saw. This file is Milsa file. This question answer Milsa file. Answer B. Question number 19. Which one of the following tool is used to align two holes to be riveted? Which one of the following tool is used to align the hole to be riveted? So align the hole to be riveted. This question answer Tripped tool. Answer B. Tripped tool. Question number 20. How will you specify the folding machine? How will you specify the folding machine? This question answer maximum length and thickness of sheet. Maximum length and thickness of sheet. This question answer A. Question number 21. What is the function of soldering iron in the soldering process? What is the function of a soldering iron in the soldering process? This question answer melt the solder. So answer B. Question number 22. The purpose of tempering a hardened steel component is for dash. The purpose of tempering a hardened steel component is for dash. This question answer reduce in brittleness or decrease its brittleness. This question answer B. Reduce its brittleness. Question number 23. While normalizing, the component should be cooled by dash. While normalizing, the component should be cooled by dash. This question answer air room temperature. This question answer D. Question number 24. What is the cutting angle of general purpose drill? What is the cutting angle of general purpose drill? This question answer 118 degree. So this question answer D. Question number 25. The plunge vise is specified by dash. The plunge vise is specified by dash. This question answer width of the jaw. Answer A. But this question answer width of the joint. So joint is not correct. Jaw. JAWS. Question number 26. Name the part marked X in the figure. Name the part marked X in the figure. This image is plunge vise. The X mark name is hard jaw. Hard jaw. Answer D. Question number 27. Name the forging tool given in the figure. Name the forging tool given in figure. This image is plotter. This image is plotter. Answer D. Question number 28. What will be the effect if drilling point is not in center? What will be the effect if drill point is not in center? Drill point is not in center. This question to answer unequal alloy chip. Unequal alloy chip or broken drill. So this question answer broken drills. D. Answer D. Unequal alloy chips not here. So answer broken drill. D. Answer. Question number 29. Vernier bevel protractor is used to measure an accuracy of dash. Vernier bevel protractor is used to measure and accuracy of dash. Werner Powell protractor least count is 5 minute. Answer A, 5 minute. Question number 30. A vernier dial caliper accuracy 0.05 mm, film scale reading 25 mm, and the reading shown by the hand of the dial 24. Calculate the reading. This question answer. Film scale reading 25, 25.00, other than dial number 24. So 24 into multiply the caliper accuracy 0.05, 0.05. This is multiply value 1.2. So 25.00 plus 1.2. So answer 26.2. So calculate the reading is 26.2. This question answer D answer 26.2. Question number 31. Pending allowance is proportional to the dash. Pending allowance is proportional to the dash. This question answer. Pending allowance is sheet metal work. This only answer thickness of the material. This question pending allowance is pending meaning sheet metal thickness. This question answer thickness of the material. This answer C. Question number 32. Shears are used to cut. Shears and hand snip. Hand snip or shears. Shears are used to cut very thin sheet. This question answer very thin sheet. Thin sheet. Answer A. Question number 33. The surface plate are made of dash. The surface plate are made of dash. This question answer good quality cast iron. This question answer good quality cast iron. Answer A. Question number 34. Name the part marked X in the figure. Name the part marked X in the figure. This image is outside micrometer. This X mark is, so this only thimble, this only sleeve. So X mark is thimble. This question answer C. Question number 35. If zero graduation of the thimble is above the datum line, when the measuring pieces are in the contact, the error is dash. If zero graduation of the thimble is above the datum line, when the measuring pieces are in contact, the error is dash. So this outside micrometer sleeve datum line, this thimble, this line not 0, above 5, 0, this 0. So 0 line only, this 0 only 0 graduation, but 0 not 0, 5 only this line, datum line. So this is positive error. 0 flow 0 positive error. This question answer B, positive. Question number 36. For general structural work, which type of rivet is used as? For general structural work, which type of Revit is used? Snapcut. So, general structural work used in Snapcut. Answer B. Snapcut. Question number 37. Identify the machine accessories shown in figure. Identify the machine accessories shown in figure. This image is drilling machine accessories. This image is sleeve. Answer A. Question number 38. The property of the metal by which is can be brought back to its original shape after the applied force is released is known as dash. The property of the metal by which is can be brought back its original shape after the applied force is released is known as elasticity. Elasticity. Answer C. Question number 39. Solder is an alloy of dash. Solder is an alloy of dash. Solder alloy is lead and tin. Answer B. Lead and tin. Question number 40. Which of the following is a non-porous cutting tool material? Which of the following is a non-porous cutting tool material? This question answer carbide. Answer D. Question number 41. V block are available in the grade of dash. V block are available in the grade of dash. V block grade is grade A and grade B. This question answer A. Grade A and grade B. So 41 question answer A. Question number 42. Determine the tab drill size for the given tab. M16 multiply 1.5 pitch. Determine the drill tab size for the given tab. M16 into 1.5. This question answer 16 subscribe 16 minus 1.5. Answer 14.5. So less the pitch. 16 minus pitch. So 14.5. This nearest answer 14.4. This question answer correct. Answer D correct answer. Question number 43. The builder drilling machine is shown in the figure. Name the part marked X. This is builder drilling machine. The X mark this spindle fitting X mark. This is spindle mount drill jack. This question answer X is part accessory drill jack. Answer B. Question number 44. What is the special feature of the radial drilling machine? What is the special feature of the radial drilling machine? The radial drilling machine is a feature of the spindle can be brought to any position. The spindle brought to any position. So answer A. This question answer spindle is any position. Answer A. Question number 45. Name the part marked X in the given figure. Name the part marked X in the given figure. This image is vernier caliper. Vernier caliper. The X mark is X mark is movable jaw. So movable. Answer B. Movable jaw. Question answer movable jaw. Question number 46. Which one of the following instrument directly give the actual dimension? Which one of the following instrument directly gives the actual dimension? inside caliper, outside caliper, vernier caliper. This question answer vernier caliper, the directly measuring instrument. Answer C. Question number 47. Name the part marked X in the figure. Name the part marked X in the figure. This is adjustable axle frame. This X mark is frame. Answer A. Question number 48. The pitch of the coarse teeth in hacksaw blade is dash. The pitch of the coarse teeth in hacksaw blade is dash. Coarse teeth in hacksaw blade is 1.8 mm. This question answer C. 1.8 mm. Question number 49. Different shape of file are used to file different contour. Name the file shown in the figure. This file image is half round. This image shape. This. So answer is half round file. This question answer A answer. The last question. Question number 50. For filing soft material like lead, tin, aluminum, which file is used? For filing soft material like lead, tin, aluminum, which file is used? This question answer single cut file. This question answer single cut file. Answer C. So this video all students benefit. So use this video. Thanks to all.